Hi, welcome to Be the Lorax 4. This activity list starts April 5th. It is due Thursday, April 11th. The first activity is required for 3 times, 20 minutes each. Read to self and practice your power goal. I read a literary text titled, that means it is a fiction book. Write the title right here. A word I didn't know in my book was, write a new word right here on this line. What do you think it means? Write it here on this line. Remember to do this 3 times and check each time that you do that. The first activity in reading focus is on timelines. This is required 15 minutes. It is learning. Read using a timeline in the resource area. Optional, 10 minutes, learning. Listen to timeline if you need to learn more about timelines. Required for 20 minutes. Complete the timeline of my life paper in the resource area. The next section is writing. We are working on opinion writing. Required for 15 minutes. This is practice. Using your when I grow up plan, write an opinion draft about what you want to be when you grow up. Required for 15 minutes. This is practice. Score and edit your writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. Then have a partner score your writing using the CUPS rubric in the resource area. This is required for 15 minutes. It is learning. Complete the parts of speech task cards in the resource area with a dry erase marker. Then check your answers using the answer key. The next activity is optional. This is 15 minutes. Draw a picture of yourself as a grown-up. Your picture should illustrate what you wrote in your draft. Also optional for 10 minutes. Use the editing QR code to review how to edit your writing using CUPS. The next section is reading comprehension. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Read the story, Crossing the Atlantic, then answer the questions in the resource area. The next is required for 15 minutes. It is practice. Listen to story on RazKids on your level. What is the title? Write the title here. Take the quiz. Write down your score. Write down your score here on this line. The next section is foundational skills. We are making different sounds for consonants. We're focusing on the soft C, which says S. This is required for 20 minutes. It is practice. Blue readers, I want to be a police officer passage. Highlight soft C words. Red readers, C says S passage. Highlight the soft C words and answer the comprehension questions. White readers, C says S passage. Highlight soft C words and answer the comprehension questions. Required for 5 minutes. It is practice. Scan the QR code to review the tricky words on your level. Required 15 minutes. Practice. Using a computer, complete the Symbaloo word building and sorting lesson for soft C. CWTES website, students, 2nd grade, 4th red box. The next activity is social studies. You have a choice for 20 minutes. This is learning. Read The Island of Hope and Tears in the resource area, or scan the QR code and listen to The Island of Hope and Tears. Next, this is required for 10 minutes. It is practice. Complete the Island of Hope and Tears questions from the resource area. This is to be done independently. The next is a choice for 20 minutes. It is learning. On Epic, read My Life as an Immigrant, or on Epic, listen to My Life as an Immigrant. Required 20 minutes. This is practice. Complete the If I Could Bring 5 Things With Me paper. Explain why you'd pack each item. You can draw the items in the suitcase when you're done writing. The next activity is your gardener's guide. The first is a choice for 10 minutes, learning. Read What Are Rocks? or scan the QR code to listen to What Are Rocks? Required for 10 minutes, this is practice. After reading What Are Rocks? Answer the questions from the resource area. Required for 10 minutes, this is learning. Complete the rock exploration activity. Look at each rock's color and feel their textures. See the sign-up sheet. This is to be done as a group. Say who was in your group. This is required for 10 minutes. This is reflection. Look at your Be the Lorax rubric. Check off what you've completed and learned. Optional 15 minutes. Complete the pet rock activity in the resource area. This can be done independent or with a peer. Happy learning.